All right, let's talk about self-marketing. A successful job search is not just about sending out applications, right? It's about effectively marketing yourself. Self-marketing is the ability to showcase your skills, to talk about your skills, to talk about your experience and value in a way that makes you stand out to employers. Now, this starts with a strong personal brand, which includes a well-crafted resume, an optimized LinkedIn profile, and a compelling elevator pitch that you can use when you're networking. The way you present yourself in interviews or on social media and even in casual networking conversations can greatly impact your job search success. Employers want to see confidence. They want to see professionalism. They want to see a clear understanding of your strengths and your abilities and your skills. So be prepared to highlight what makes you unique. All right, let's talk about following up with your applications. Following up is a critical but often overlooked step in the job search process. After submitting an application, sending a polite follow-up email can keep you on your employer's radar. And if you had an interview, a thank you email expressing your appreciation and showing them how you're interested in this position can leave a lasting impression. And if you hadn't been heard back at all after a reasonable amount of time, a short follow-up message can demonstrate enthusiasm and professionalism. And on that note, one of the questions that you should always ask during an interview is, when can I expect to hear back from you? Or when will you make the decisions? When will you have the decisions made for this position? That way you know that it might take a while for you to hear something, or you might hear within a few days. That way you can do a follow-up after that period of time. Now, many candidates don't take the extra step of following up. And of course, by doing that, it'll give you the competitive edge. All right, let's talk about time management. Job searching can feel like a full-time job because it is a full-time job, right? And that's why time management is so important. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the number of tasks involved, researching companies and tailoring resumes and networking and preparing for interviews. So to stay organized, set daily or weekly goals. So sit down on Sunday night, for example, and write down what your intentions are for the week. What do you want to accomplish that week? And then every day, set your goals for the day. You might also want to consider creating a structured schedule and track your applications as well. You can use an Excel form for that. Allocating specific times during the week. So block your time out for different job search activities. That can help you be more productive and, of course, can prevent burnout as well. Using tools like spreadsheets or a job search planner can help you stay on top of your deadlines and follow-ups. Now, you might notice there are some job postings. The deadline is next week to apply. Well, this is going to be very helpful for you to write it down on your calendar because you don't want to miss any deadlines at all.